Is Cash App safe for Bitcoin in 2025? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the safety of using Cash App for Bitcoin in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's first talk about Cash App. Cash App allows users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin directly through the app. It offers a very beginner-friendly interface and is integrated with your Cash App balance, making it super convenient for casual users. The app uses encryption and security measures to protect transactions and user data. It also offers two-factor authentication to add another layer of security. The pros of using Cash App for Bitcoin are ease of use, quick transactions, and the ability to withdraw Bitcoin to an external wallet. It's a solid option for those who want to buy small amounts of Bitcoin without using a full crypto exchange. The cons include limited crypto support, only Bitcoin is available, and slightly higher fees compared to some dedicated crypto platforms. Also, for long term or large scale investors, Cash App might lack the advanced tools and features they need. So, that's basically the main details about using Cash App for Bitcoin in 2025, which will help you in deciding if it's the right platform for you. So, that's all for this video.